Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to create an auto increment primary key. So now I will be creating now the table. So now I have created my table. The primary key is the user ID and it is auto increment. So which means that the numbering will be automatically created from SQL, so we don't have to write it manually. So if I want to insert some data, I don't need to specify the user ID. I just can't write the username, and let's assign some values, like for example, like that, and like that. So now if I run it, and now we select the table, you will see that the numbering is already created from SQL. So we have now 1 and 2, and those numbers must be unique. So it's not gonna work if we have like two rows with 2 and 2. It's not gonna work. It must be unique. So let's say I want to add here um, the user ID manually. Let's say here 2 and here 5. So this is not gonna work because there is already 2 here in the table. So there's already 2. So I cannot insert another 2. It's not gonna work. But for example, let's say if I write here 10, this must work because there is no 10 in the table. So you can see now it's working. But actually, that's not the idea of the auto increment. So we don't have to write it manually because maybe we do some mistakes and it's not gonna fulfill the purpose of the auto increment. It's always a good idea, or it's just like important that the auto increment is done from SQL and we don't do it manually. Yeah, so that was actually everything for the auto increment.